Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by putting the watch on snug so sensors read heart rate reliably. Open the workout app and tap the activity you'll do. This begins the session and triggers workout controls. Once started, swipe up to access Control Center if the lock icon isn't visible automatically. You're doing this now because the watch treats active workouts differently. Make sure cellular or Do Not Disturb settings won't interrupt the flow. Proceed immediately to lock the screen so sweat or accidental taps won't stop tracking. Once done, enable the built-in lock. For swim or heavy sweat, tap the WaterDrop water lock in Control Center so taps are ignored. For other workouts, press the side button if your model supports a manual lock. This prevents accidental screen presses while you move, and it's important because the watch still records heart rate and motion without interruption. Make sure you see the lock icon on screen before you start intense sets. If you don't, repeat the lock action quickly to avoid losing data. To finish, stop the workout in the app, then turn the digital crown to unlock water lock. This expels water and returns touch control. You'll hear a chime and see the unlocked icon. Make sure the session is saved and synced to your iPhone for accurate records. If the lock won't engage or the icon doesn't show, restart the watch and ensure Watch OS is current, because software bugs can block locking. If problems persist, unpair and repair or contact support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.